Hi again. Welcome back to 80 Foods. Are you having fun learning about food? Great! This time we will learn about cheese. In the picture, you can see cheese. We cut this cheese before we eat it. Let's learn some words to begin the class.
Dairy. Milk is dairy. Other food made from milk is also dairy food. So, butter, cheese, and yogurt are dairy foods. Nutritious. Nutritious food helps make us healthy. The picture shows a salad. Fresh vegetables, tomatoes, and boiled eggs are in the salad. The salad is nutritious.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Dairy. Nutritious.
It's time to read a story. After that, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what cheese is? Cheese is made of milk. It is a dairy product. Cheese has a lot of calcium and protein. So, it is nutritious. There are many types of cheese. Some are sliced. Some are in a lump. The cheese in the picture is lumps of cheese. We can eat cheese by itself or with other food. What food do you eat with cheese?
What is cheese made of? Lump. Milk. What is true? Cheese is a dairy food. We can only eat cheese with other food.
There are many kinds of cheese. We put sliced cheese on a sandwich or a hamburger. That's the end of our class today. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.